Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to report a channel on YouTube. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. First open your browser, then search for YouTube. So after opening YouTube, you have to search a channel which you want to block. Simply search a channel. For example, I search for Breaking News TV. So here is the channel. So if I want to block this channel, simply click on it. After opening this channel, move to About. So after moving to About, in the left side you see a flag option. Here move a cursor and you see that Report User. Click on it. There are four options: block user, report channel art, report profile picture, or report user. You have to report user because you want to report the channel. Click on it. After clicking on it, select the reason why you want to report this channel. After selecting reason, press next and the channel is report. So this is the simple way to report a YouTube channel. Hope this video helps you to solve your problem of how to report a channel on YouTube. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.